Hey everybody, Jandareview, and today we are at Corinth RV Center in Corinth, Mississippi. Now I'd like to give a big thanks to them for allowing us to come up and do this video. Now today we are going to show you the very first one on our show, a Cherokee, a Forest River Cherokee, model number 274WK. Now stick around at the end of the video to we will show you our hit and miss. Now let's get started. The length on this travel trailer is 33 feet 7 inches. The dry weight is 7,143 pounds, and that hitch weight is 895. Now we're going to show the inside. Like I said, we just showed you the outside, so hey, let's get started.
Well folks, here we are inside the Cherokee Limited. When you come in the door, this is going to be where all your control panels are, and you'll see that they are backlit.
And you can connect it to your phone.
Yes. And
you got tank heaters, you got your two air conditioner controls, and you've got a one control hotspot, which I'm not real sure about all that.
We don't know what that is, but ask your dealership, they'll explain it for you. Now coming on into the kitchen area, we'll just start right here. They give you a nice large window over your Greystone 3-burner cooktop with an oven.
You got a little drawer down here at the bottom. Oh, that's nice.
That is nice. Your microwave is actually mounted down here low.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool.
We don't see that very often. I like that feature.
You've got your solar controller. You can see how much your battery's got on it right there.
They this does not have a fan in it, but they do give you a vent right up here.
Yep.
Coming on around, we'll go ahead and show you this refrigerator. This is a nice 12-volt refrigerator.
Yeah. Okay.
Here, this is a very good size island. You have a nice single bowl.
Oh, I love this.
Yeah, the black stainless steel, I really like that. High-rise faucet, and they give you a soap dispenser. So there's actually a little container under there to put your soap on.
Oh my!
Nice drawers on the back side of your island.
Oh yeah, got a spot for a garbage can under there?
Yes. And right here you've got even more drawers.
More. There we go.
Wow, that is great. And these are really nice. This is a sealed edge countertop, but it's very nice. I love the length of this countertop because that gives you some good working space right there. And let me walk around here, show you this pantry. Very nice. Shelves go all the way down to the floor.
Yep.
Yes. Here you're going to have your space for your TV. That's probably going to hold up to a 40. Or,
at least a 40.
Yeah,
yes.
possibly even bigger. They give you some really good storage underneath. And you do have an electric fireplace that will put out some heat on these colder mornings. We're just going to come right on around the back. They give you a nice size trifold sofa. We'll show you what that looks like when it's pulled out. And they give you windows all the way around.
Jackknife.
Oh, I'm sorry. It is a jackknife. And right up top,
oh yeah,
you have storage all the way across.
Yep.
Excellent. Now, these are what they call the zebra blinds. Some people love them. Some people can take them or leave them. We'll show you how they operate. This is close it off to open it up to let some in, or you can actually push them all the way up and be completely open. We're on the fence about these, so hey, leave us a comment. Tell us what you think about these blinds. Right here, you're going to have end tables on both sides of the sofa, and if you remove the armrest, you will see that you've got some storage right down in there.
Okay.
Now in the slide, this is on your campsite, you have two really nice recliners. These are push-back recliners.
And it's right across.
Right across, let's
from the
see.
TV.
See, right across from where your TV is going to be. So those
Go
are
ahead, sit down.
excellent placement. And again, windows all the way around with your shades. Oh yeah, this is really comfortable.
I like it.
I like this. This is very nice. Okay, let's show them the
Dinette.
dinette. This has storage underneath, and it will drop down to make extra sleeping area. We'll show you what that looks like. Again, more windows all the way around. This is just great. Okay, let me back up. We'll show you the air conditioning. Here you have 2 units.
2 of them.
And so this is what it will look like from the jackknife sofa.
And I also like they give you an 8-inch subwoofer to go along with your sound system in
Yes.
here. Woo.
And you've got more speakers. And you will see that you do have ducting for your air conditioning. Okay, let's head toward the front and we'll go
You want to go in the bathroom?
through the bathroom.
All right.
This is going to have a nice 2-entry bathroom. You've got a corner shower, and Jeremy's about 6 feet tall.
Yeah.
Yeah, so with the skylight, you know, you can be 6'2" or so and have plenty of room in here. That is very nice. Here is your medicine cabinet. You are
Sink.
Yes, you do have a plug-in, and that is a very nice sink. You can actually get both hands in that one, unlike some. They give you a little bit of storage underneath. I'm going to back up and show you that you get a foot flush toilet.
And it's sitting very...
Yes, that's in an excellent position. You have lots of elbow room. You got hooks up here, and they give you a very nice, large exhaust fan.
Yes.
Now, here's the entry into the bedroom. Or I can back up
Okay.
and show you the entry down the hall. Okay, here we are. This unit is going to have a Camp Queen in it. You will have some storage underneath.
That is big.
That's a lot of storage. You can...
It goes all the way into your pass-through.
Yes. So you can get a lot of items under there. You do have some reading lights up above. And you're going to have storage on both sides. Your hanging wardrobe is going to be on both sides.
Mm-hmm.
You've got a plug-in down here. And this is going to have a little box right up above it. It's going to have USB on the top. And my understanding is that you can get a speaker.
Yes.
It doesn't come with the unit, but you can get a speaker that plugs into that. These are going to have pleated shades in the back.
Mm-hmm.
And also on this side. So both of these windows will open.
Okay, USB.
Yes, USB and electric on the other side.
And your TV can be mounted right here off. And there's your plug-ins and your cable.
Yes. And you will see that you've got vents. And there's another light up in the ceiling.
Oh.
Yeah.
I didn't even turn it on. Sorry.
So these have got a nice ceiling height. And the colors they use are nice and bright. So it's very airy and open in here.
Yeah. All right, folks. Now it's time for the hit and miss.
Now we'd like to tell you what our hit and miss is on this Cherokee Limited. Do you want to start with the miss?
Yes.
Okay. This is one of these, we kind of had to nitpick a little bit to find a miss. But our miss is going to be when your slide is in and you're in traveling mode, you're not going to be able to access your refrigerator because it is going to be all the way up against your island.
Yep.
So if it's important for you to be able to get to your refrigerator, you might want to keep that in mind so you will not have access to it. Now, let's do our hit. Our hit is actually going to be these opposing slides, because this is a huge, it's a huge living area, and it's very well laid out. It's almost a fifth wheel style living area. And if Jeremy will get back here, we did not show you something earlier. We want your opinion. It has blue lights. So, hey, tell us what you think about these. Some people love them, some people can leave them. But we thought we'd show those to you anyway. Well, that's got our hit and miss. Hey, we'd love to hear from you. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think.
All right, folks, that's it. That's the review. Now, if you like this Cherokee, now you just give them a call up here at Corinth RV Center in Corinth, Mississippi. Now, hey, if you like our channel and you just now found us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow along with us. Thanks, everybody.